Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. And boy, do we have a video today. We are going to be talking about Coinbase, Bitcoin, MSTR, also known as MicroStrategy, and a variety of other Bitcoin companies. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Carter, and we talk about everything money on this channel: stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. Also, if you guys want to learn more about trading or investing in the stock market, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategy, how I find stocks. Pretty much it's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. You guys will have access to a group chat. You guys will have quizzes and lectures. It's an 8-week course and I highly recommend it. We're doing a Black Friday sale for the rest of this month, so make sure you guys check that out. So let's dive into this right now. So what has been going on with Coinbase? Well, looking at the chart, you guys will see Coinbase has absolutely exploded in this past year. And one of the reasons why I think we're seeing a lot of momentum, a lot of growth behind Coinbase. For those of you that don't know, Coinbase owns about 2 million Bitcoin, which is equivalent to about $39 billion. And with that being said, Bitcoin has been on an absolute roar, up 150% year to date. So with that being said, the company's doing really, really well because of Bitcoin. Coinbase makes most of their money, if not all of their money, off of Bitcoin transactions, and a variety of other things heavily invested into cryptocurrency. So it doesn't come at a major surprise that with Bitcoin's price, going up, we're seeing a correlation with a variety of other, Bitcoin companies like Coinbase and MicroStrategy. As we look at, MSTR, which is MicroStrategy, they own a bunch of Bitcoin as well. And we've seen a very similar chart where the stock kind of popped up, sold off, and then has rallied. If we look at Coinbase, you guys will see a very similar chart: popped up, sold off, and then rallied up. So it doesn't come at a huge surprise, but why are we seeing a lot of momentum, obviously, behind Coinbase? Well, as we look at, some of their fundamentals, you guys will see that Coinbase, their total revenue is up about 14%. And in the past couple of quarters, in the past 4 quarters, we've seen a steady decline in revenue, right? It's down 55%, 74%, 33%, 12%, and now it's actually up 14%, which is another indicator that a lot of investors are actually starting to use Coinbase again and start investing into crypto, as well as, their net income is up about 99%, which is always a good indication that we're going to see a lot more buying pressure step behind it. But obviously, with Bitcoin and everything starting to get momentum, it doesn't come at a huge surprise that their cash flow is up 178%. So to answer that main question that everybody has and why you clicked on this video is, Carter, will this stock rally back up to highs? Will this thing hit, $500, $600 a share? Well, you have to understand that yes, it could. As we look at Coinbase, the general chart, you guys will see it's actually sold off from about $429 all the way down to 142. So we still have this general downward trend, but one of the main indicators that a lot of people love to look at is this red line. This red line is the 200 moving average line. A lot of people love to use this as like reversals. So when the stock is below it, like it kind of is in here, we have this general sell-off. A good indication that we're going to see a lot more buying pressure step behind it is when it actually breaks above it, and now we're starting to use it as support. So we could see a move, obviously hitting here and going up even higher, but answering that main question, getting back on topic here of will it hit $500, $600 a share? This is a growth stock. So yes, it could. But you have to understand that investing into Coinbase is going to be risky. It's going to be volatile, but often with higher risk carries higher reward. So for me, if I was going to invest into Coinbase, the strategy that I would take would be to dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging, what you do is you invest consistently, whether it's once a week, once a month, or every other week. So you're investing consistently. The great part about this is as Coinbase sells off a little bit, you're averaging down that price. So once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money. It's a great way to invest in growth stocks and more risky companies. And you might be saying, Carter, well, the stock is on an absolute roar up. What if it continues to go higher? Well, you're buying shares, so you're still going to make money. And actually, you prefer to sell off a little bit so you can average down that price and then for it to go up even higher. But yes, I definitely think Coinbase and all these other companies could see a lot of momentum in 2024. We're on the verge. A lot of people are thinking we're going to have a recession in 2024. And anytime normally we see a recession, looking back, in 2020, and a variety of other, as we look at, we can even go to, Bitcoin's chart. You guys will see that in 2020, we had this great growth here. This is because a lot of people get nervous about where to put their cash and they put it into something, like Bitcoin or something that's a little decentralized or stuff like that. So I'm excited to see what happens with this. For me, am I buying it? I did buy Bitcoin and Coinbase. It's not much, maybe a couple $100, maybe $1,000, but it's risky, and I would rather put my money into something else that I'm a little more confident in. I'm not a huge expert when it comes to crypto and all that stuff. I'm more of a stock guy. That's why I like to look at individual companies that hold Bitcoin, and that would be the move that I would play on it. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. But I'm excited. I'm excited to see where these companies go. Maybe I'll buy a little bit and see what happens. Like if you guys want me to do that, comment. But guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And one last thing before we leave, another indicator that I kind of forgot about here is the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. You guys will see that it is getting a little overvalued. The last time it was at, above a 70 was right in here where we got that sell off here. You guys can see it was above here and we did get that sell off. So now that it's creeping up way high, maybe some temporary sell off where you guys can buy those dips. But guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.